Today we'll make the photo into this to this. Let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first we'll make a copy by pressing Ctrl J, or you can drag and drop in a plus sign. And after that, going to the pen tool for cutting. Here I will demotivate to use this object selection tool because of you have to make the part by part of this car for making the sticker. So here pen tool is a smarter way to make this one. We'll select this area and this area as well as this area. Actually I want to cover up the half of the car, not the all of the car, and that's why I'm using the pen tool, and it will help you how to make the selection properly. So here from here I'll make the selection from this. Here I'm using pen tool, and you can use this pen tool for your convenience, whatever. Actually this is the long process. You can skip this portion or you can watch it out, or you can jump into the next lesson. I just made the separation part of this lesson, so you have to cut it properly, otherwise it won't be fit with the car, and it looks the fake if you don't cut properly of the car, this area. If you want to learn the Photoshop pen tool, I have another video to learn. You can just watch that video, those who are the beginner in my channel. I'm going to little faster and forward for your convenience. So after making selection, make selection over there and hit OK. So from this car layer, press Ctrl or Command J, you will get only this part. That's fine. And now we'll draw a rectangle over there. It will cover up all the stuffs like this. Then just dragging it up and convert to smart object and making it like a selection like that. That's fine. And now we'll multiply this one and double press over there. Here we'll provide the texture or any sort of design over there. Now going to the file and going to the place embed options. From here the sticker will be like that. So like this, I'm rotating by flip horizontal and hit OK, and after that Ctrl S, and it will just overlapping over there. And now we'll go to the blending options. From here press Alt or option button to hold it, and press Alt option button to break it, and now you can adjust the color and everything. So you are getting the amazing sticker on your car. So if you want to add something in a bonnet or add something in a front, you can do what I shown over here. That is the same process. You have to cut it out and then you can do that. So one thing is that if you want to make it bigger, suppose like this, okay, like this, I will cover up and saving it out, it will just apply over there. So you can do like this or like this, or you can do these sort of things and saving it out, or press Ctrl or Command T, you can make it bigger like this and saving it out. It is saving over there. Or you can do rotation like this and saving it out. Yeah, you can do that. Or press Ctrl or Command T, you can place over there or saving it out. You can do lots of options over there, or you can place any sort of fire or everything. So let's try another one. So turning it off. So now going to the file and going to the place appended options. From here I'll import the fire one. So not to cut it out. Okay, that's fine. Now I'll saving it out, and it's just applying on that portion or backside. So press Ctrl Command T, making it a little bit of bigger and a little bit of upside, and now saving it out. Yeah, you can do that, or you can make this one a little bit of downside and it will apply over there. I'm making a little bit of modification. Let's see this modification, or press Ctrl Command T, this sort of modification over there. Saving it out, it will save over there, or you can do the other thing like that, saving it out, and let's see. Yeah, press Ctrl Command T. So you can do like that, or you can just making this sort of things. Yeah, so you can apply the previous one as well. Suppose you can turn it on and saving it out, you can get the same result. Which type of design you want to apply, you have to cut the portion and you can apply those things in your photo. So this is the technique, and if you want to make any sort of changes, you can do by this help of a smart object. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notification. I'm Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.
Ideas into something great. Photos, graphics, UX too. Helping brands with the visual view. Bangladesh to the world, I'm making my way. Content so fresh, got no delay. ASMR Arif, paving the road, telling stories through the